We had a brilliant couple of setups ruined by the news. One triggered the stops and then ran to TP1. We'll cover that. We've had some historical trades coming good. Many of the JPY pairs coming good. Euro CHF also coming good. What else have we had come good recently? AUD CAD's coming good. CAD JPY is coming good. Euro JPY is looking better. But yeah, really annoyed about the ones that fooled me. Doesn't happen often, but when it does, fair play. So let's start. This is the culprit of the day. So really nice on the eye. I mean, you're probably thinking, where did it go wrong on this one? Well, I'm asking myself that same very question. So on the daily, what we have is, I actually know it's really minor and it's annoying. But first thing for context, from the second cycle up, we've also got harmonics coming into completion points, ABCD, and the blue harmonic is giving us this trend here. So the last piece of price action from high to low, you can see 3 pushes, 1, 2, 3. And within these pushes, you've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. 1, 2, 3. And on the way up, you've got 1, 2, 3. So that was my first sort of heads up. You've got 3 pushes up higher here. But what I saw on a lower time frame, we're looking for longs in line with the market makers here. So we are looking for longs. So what I saw here was all of this I see as cycle 1. So high, 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 low, high, 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 low. Perfect. Set up perfectly here. But I got spoofed on this. If I can delete this little thing here, I got completely tricked. I saw this 1 up, 2 up, and I took the 2 thinking it was going to play out. It is playing out now. Had I have looked forward 24 hours and seen those huge Canadian news, I would have concluded that they're not likely to move this pair until then. Of course, that's exactly what happened. Annoying as it is, we got triggered. Our stop was triggered 3 pips, went past our stop, and then gave us TP1. So that is trading, unfortunately. Let's move on. CHF JPY still reaching for the sky pass. Entered the JPY, still hanging around. I like it. We've got the 2 cycles higher, setting ourselves up for, we've got 1, we've got 2. We're making higher highs and higher lows off the 50 EMA. We have this internal change of character. We've got high, 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 low, high, 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 low. We took this, we got away with it because we did make TP1, but then it's come again and given it to us, reset off the 50. Really nice. EuroCAD showing that strong move off the middle of the consolidation zone, which I don't like, off the targeted entry, which is the 200. I want to start seeing this as a high, high, low, high, 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 low. Once I see a couple of them, I'm onto it. AED JPY, much like NZD JPY, we're looking for pushes here. We can see push 1, push 2, and we can see change of character internally, high, 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 low, high, 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 low. We took this and we made TP1. We were in at 97 and it went up to a high of 98.14. GBP CHF peeling back after a 3 move down in yellow and a 3 push up counter, waiting for this to rebase, so expecting a short. AED NZD peeling away, looking interesting. What I can see here is 1, 2, and it should give us a 3. There is a Gartley ABCD here as well. Have to wait. If it gives us a Gartley up here, I'll be taking it short. USD CHF, beautiful thing. Gave us 3 to the low. Not convinced that it's completely finished playing out yet. 1, 2, 3 to the high off the targeted entry, which we spoke about, and we're coming off. So we'll see how that one continues. Entered the USD, really nice, contradictory setup actually, because we've got a 1, 2, 3 low on the market cycle. This hasn't really been anchored by a second leg yet, so I guess that's what this is about. So we pushed up, we created an ABCD to the low, and then we're creating a 3 and 1 high, a 1, 2, 3 to the high, pulling back, 1, 2. That's all I can see so far. So this is a high, high, low. We'll have to wait and see. It's not ready. CAD JPY, beautiful red ABCD. It's a beautiful pattern. 1, 2, 3 in the CD leg. Peeling away, it's up 110 odd pips. Great trade. USD, JPY, 2 levels of consolidation and a peak. So we're in the peak pass. CAD CHF failed on the CAD news today. That was looking really key in hindsight, but still got the ABCD, still see price reacting. at those levels. Bear with me 1 second. So this one's completed an ABCD and we're looking to see higher prices. Let's look at GBP AED. So GBP AED, second cycle higher, expecting higher prices. It's given it to us. It's given us a 1, 2, 3 to the high, and we're chopping around here. GBP USD is a real trick here. 1, 2 down, 1 up. It's basically made a higher high. We're waiting for that higher low anchor. Euro AUD, deceiving for me. Not convinced. It's still a lower high. We're convinced here for the Gartley move away, but we've done 1, 2, 3, and I expect this to pull back at least to give us some sort of a double bottom. Notice the harmonic's been complete. Euro CHF, we are finally coming off, even though this whole pattern is complete. 1, 2, 3 to the low, 1, 2, 3 to the low. We have entered this as a short. There's a really nice structure at A, B equals CD with a CD leg extended, and we've pulled away. We've done TP1 there, which is really nice. A few more to go. AED CAD, so in line with the trend, we had 1, 2, 3 to the high, 1, 2 back. It's also an ABCD. Knowing where we are in this cycle, we have 1, 2 to the low, 1 up. Euro GBP, lows of consolidation to expecting higher prices, high, 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 low, high, 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 low. Gold coming off, 1, 2, 3 up. This is the second cycle higher. I'm not touching it because I don't see anything at the minute. Now, AUD USD, this is another one that we did get 17 pips, and I just hope people will manage to protect themselves, but then it went on and dipped the stock by 2 pips. However, this one is pretty clear to me. You've got 1, 2, 3 to the low being supported off here, but ultimately it is 1, 2, and I do expect this is in line with the trend. It's a fantastic pattern. 1, 2, low, 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 high, low, 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 high. GBP JPY is a peak pass. Euro NZD is completed the harmonic move down. We're in cycle 2, expecting lower prices. Sorry, expecting higher prices. And at the minute, we've just got this lower high. Not convinced there's no setup for the pass. Euro USD, we've created a higher low. We faked people 1, 2, 3 to the low. Not sure that 3 is done with. We will keep an eye, but this is level 1 rise. Euro JPY, slowly coming off. We need this all the way down here. It is a Gartley at a peak formation. We see the 2 consolidations. There we are. An AED CHF pattern is pretty much complete to the naked eye, but we've still got this 1, 2, and the previous peak in my eyes to complete. So there we have it. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe. There's a YouTube channel that has lots of information on harmonics and market structure, and you need to check that out. It's at MelonsTrade. So thanks for watching. Wish you all the best and happy trading. Cheers.